Hi, I'm John. I'm with J&E Integration, and a lot of people think that it's a big deal just to get some wired security cameras in your house. They think you got to cut a bunch of holes in drywall, but I'm here to show you that that's not true. We got a few techniques and tricks. We're going to use a crawl space in an attic and a few things that are already in the house. So let's get into it. Here's the beautiful house we're working on today. Canex box in the garage, crawl space, and this is our structured wiring panel up in the second floor laundry room. This already has a network set up in it and an alarm system right there on the right. We also have a phone block on the left, and that's our Smurf to the attic. So we're going to pull some Cat 6 wires up through that Smurf. We call it Smurf. It's really called interduct. Interduct's the thinner orange stuff. The blue stuff's called Smurf, but we all call it Smurf anyways. So these wires, we're gonna get to the outside of the house. I have a handful of cameras around the outside of the house. We're gonna try and hide them on the back side of some gutters. And we're gonna use screw hole zip ties, eye ties, Sunday ties, whatever you like to call them. We're using those bad boys today. We're gonna keep all of our wiring nice and clean. We're not gonna spider web throughout because we wanna respect all of the trades. We know the house is finished, but you never know when it's going to get worked on. And you know, in a lot of cases, I've been the person that was back, and I like to respect the future me. So our cameras are going to go up there. We have two cameras and an access point. We're going to run the wire behind this gutter right here. And then after I burrow this hole out a little bit, we'll end up pulling our wire out of the crawl space. But since we're not magic, we got to get a wire down into the crawl space to pull the wire out of the crawl space. So I got a little 22-4. I'm gonna tie it onto my bit here so that we don't lose it in the crawl space. Find our neat little niche here that I can pull that wire out of. Tape it onto the Cat 6. And then we're gonna pull the Cat 6 outside. So you only see one. There's two more in there. We're gonna get these guys out here, clean them up nice. Staple them in the crawl space. Here's our eye ties, Sunday ties, whatever you want to call them, behind the gutter. I like to tuck them in there nice and tight. I actually take the gutter off sometimes. These camera locations are requested by the homeowner. Also, he asked to have the wires ran along with the siding, so I have done so. I used single staples because this is concrete board stuff, and you can't really just staple into it. You want to really anchor to wood on these guys. So here's a couple of cameras on the front of the house. One of them looks back to the side yard. The other one's looking at the front driveway and the cul-de-sac that we're located in. We run the wires up through the eaves. And if you look in the top eave here, that's where we're going to be pulling out of the attic for two cameras back here. One's up high looking into the forest. One's down low on the back side of that shed over there. So inside of the attic here, you can see where we're going to run our wires out of the bird block down there. And I've prepped a tiny little hole that we're going to kind of finagle our wire out of to make sure no critters get up into the attic. So we pull the wires up into the attic here. That hole there is going to be actually the hole that goes over to the the linen closet behind there. Just like the crawl space, we're going to make sure all of our wires are stapled neatly. Nice and tight, out of the way. Come out of the bird block nice and tight. Over behind the gutter. Trying to make minimal intrusion. You see, this is up close and you can even barely see the wire. Hopefully they'll never notice them. That middle camera, there's not really a lot we can do with it. We can't put it up high because all I'll get is the top of the view of the camera will be basically just the eave. This camera was really hidden beautifully though. Behind the band there, you couldn't see the wire at all. So we're gonna put a one gang hole here. I said the little TikTok guys do this. I thought it was neat. So, wow, there you go. One gang hole. We got a bunch of stuff living over here. We moved the Comcast business modem back there. They basically got the network in the linen closet now. That's the network out to the rest of the house. Nice and tight. Keep everything out of the way. I like to be a low volt ninja. You should never know that I was in your house, except for on your phone when everything works properly. Here's a side yard, the other side of the house. opposite of the side yard I mentioned earlier. Once again, up through the eave here, we're tucking it up high. No one will ever notice this here. Now this goes in above the garage. Now I had to fish in the ceiling of the garage. That I tried to film it. It was very uninteresting and super frustrating. Trust me, you didn't want to watch it, but we came out of that Canex box in the garage. I just fished it up the wall. All right, well, if you guys liked the video, like and subscribe, leave questions in the comments. Till next time, I'll see you later.